A Portland man and a China-based company are under investigation after federal agents seized 100 illegal coronavirus test kits that were shipped to his apartment.
Elise Haas explains how the FDA is tracking down fraud cases stemming from the new coronavirus.
People can be swindled by social media posts like these, touting quick coronavirus tests at home. But don't let them fool you. One man in North Portland is now paying the price of a federal investigation. According to a federal search warrant, in mid-March, U.S. Customs intercepted this suspicious coronavirus test kit package headed to an address in North Portland. Home test kits are not FDA approved. Federal agents, with the help of a Portland police officer, found the man who ordered these and raided his apartment on Wednesday. They discovered the man who bought these isn't a medical care provider, but formerly worked for a now defunct cannabis business. Court docs say he bought them at 50 cents each for a total of $50. According to the affidavit, a coronavirus physician said that price is preposterous considering current COVID-19 swab tests now run at least $1,000. FDA Consumer Safety Officer Leroy Wang confirmed the Chinese company doesn't have authority to send kits to personal individuals. Wang reported in documents saying there are currently no approved, cleared, or emergency use authorized COVID-19 test kits for at-home use. If these kits are marketed for home use or distributed for home use, they are in violation. The kits that were seized were said to test for antibodies. Multnomah County Health Officer Dr. Jennifer Vines explains that is a blood test that would suggest someone has recovered from COVID-19.
There's a lot of hopes around these tests as being able to start to sort people into immune versus non-immune as a tool for response. These tests are not readily available at this time.
The FDA has acknowledged that a home test kit would be useful and is working with companies to develop one. But as of now, you can only get a COVID-19 test from your health care provider. In Portland, Elise Haas, KOIN 6 News.
Oh, we reached out to the FDA for comment on this case, but they said they will not talk about open investigations.
However, the FBI asked anyone who may have been a target or victim of a coronavirus-related scheme to contact the FBI's Internet Crime Complaint Center.